So the point of this event is we're trying to bring people together that are working on medical applications that are using MEMS or sensor technologies. And the goal is really to bring engineers, inventors, medical doctors together in the same room and to brainstorm and to network and to come up with new ideas. So we have the talks that are sort of stimulating the discussion, but we have also the breaks and the networking session, the reception to really take those initial seeds for the discussion and take them further.
It's good to be here in this area where you not only have some of the top-notch research institutions doing MEMS microfluidics, but also you're beginning to see good coalescence of an ecosystem of medical MEMS companies and the expertise around here to really change the dynamics of MEMS industry from around here.
The Medical MEMS Conference is actually a really fabulous opportunity in that it provides people with skill sets from discrete areas to interface with one another. So I'm a clinical pathologist, I know what I do, but we're in a group with engineers, electrical folks, sensor folks, and what we're actually doing is sharing concepts and basically new visions of where we might be able to synergize and use our collective cerebral capital to bring new ideas to market, which will eventually help and treat patients in various disease states. So this covers everything from electronics, sensors, detectable components, telemedicine, and it's very exciting to see where all of this collective will go and hopefully translate it to something that helps humanity.
So I think one of the things that's unique about our events is they usually tend to be smaller events, 50 people, 80 people, 100 people, but they're always very focused on a specific topic. So in this case, it's medical MEMS.
I mean, it's a great networking event. You have there's a lot of decision makers here from the companies that they represent, which is fantastic. And it is an intimate setting, so you can really go into more depth, I think, on some of the technology. It's a more technically oriented conference, and which makes for a nice, sort of relaxed atmosphere. It's not so, some conferences you go to, there's a lot of sales activities going on, so it's less of that and more, trying to make real connections and learning about the technology and things like that.
We tend to be less formal, but more intimate and more casual with our approach so that people can network and they can meet a lot of people in the same place that have shared interests.